Can AI really build a fully functional Shopify store overnight for free? Join me as I challenge myself to find out. This experiment will document how I leverage artificial intelligence to create a fully functional Shopify store in just a few hours, testing the limits of what's truly possible. This video is for digital marketers and remote employees, highlighting the potential time and cost savings AI offers in e-commerce. Starting an online store can be a daunting task, especially with the significant time commitment, technical skills required, and upfront costs involved. Many aspiring entrepreneurs face these hurdles, making their business ideas seem unattainable due to the hours spent learning coding, designing, and configuring payment gateways. It's overwhelming, not to mention the costs of hiring developers, purchasing themes, and subscribing to various apps and plugins, which can quickly add up. For many, these financial and technical barriers are a major roadblock to turning their business ideas into reality, especially for those not tech-savvy. So, I decided to explore the possibility of using AI tools to build my Shopify store, beginning with selecting a niche and providing basic information. The AI then helped me choose a theme and customize the design, which was surprisingly easy thanks to its intelligent suggestions and recommendations. It also streamlined the store's structure, creating product categories and collections effortlessly, automating tasks and reducing the learning curve. The moment of truth arrived when the AI revealed my brand new Shopify store, and I was truly blown away by its professional and visually appealing design. Not only did it look great, but it was also fully functional, with payment gateways and shipping options already configured. I was amazed at how effortless and effective the AI process was. It truly felt like magic. Seeing my store go live was an incredible feeling. Knowing I hadn't spent hours, or even days, manually building it, confirmed AI's power to simplify the entire process, saving time, money, and stress. AI-powered automation significantly improves efficiency by handling repetitive e-commerce tasks, freeing up valuable time for strategic activities. It also offers personalized customer experiences by analyzing behavior to provide tailored recommendations, enhancing shopping and boosting sales. Furthermore, AI enhances fraud protection, detecting and preventing fraudulent activities to ensure a safe and reliable online environment for both sellers and buyers. AI also improves inventory management by analyzing sales data and forecasting demand, reducing stockouts and overstocking for optimal profitability. Finally, AI-driven marketing helps businesses understand customers and spot purchasing behaviors and trends, enabling highly targeted ads and campaigns. In conclusion, using AI to build my Shopify store was an absolute game changer, simplifying the entire process and saving me immense time, money, and stress. If you're interested in using AI for your business, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Also, check out my other videos for more insights on AI and e-commerce.